Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sound like a minion using ElevenLabs. I've done multiple voices, so many voices, so you can use the voice changer or even text-to-speech. But first, we need to get the voice. So sometimes you find voices in the library. If not, you just come here to voices, click on the plus button, and then you instant voice clone. Click on this option, and all you need is 10 seconds of audio. You can easily find audio for the minions here on YouTube or Google as well. Just go ahead and download an MP3 clip, okay? And then what you do, guys, is you come here and drag and drop what you have downloaded. So there we go. This is a 20-second clip. You need at least 10 seconds. Make sure you toggle this one on. Remove background noise from audio recordings. So the more recordings you have, the better the clone, okay? Then what you want to do is go ahead and click on next right there. Now we need to go ahead and pick a name, language, and description. Let me pick a language first. Right here, English. Make sure you also have this toggled on. Let me go ahead and add the name and description. There we go. Now go ahead and click on Save Voice. And then what we're going to do, guys, we're going to generate speech using text just to show you. So this is the text we are going to go ahead and generate. So this is the minion's voice that we have just created, right? With a voice clone, the model will be 11 multilingual v2. This is the latest version. This is the best one that they currently have. Speed, leave it at 1. Stability, keep it at 50%. You can increase the stability if you're generating long threads of text, 4,000 characters. And similarity, keep it at 75%. Style exaggeration, you can exaggerate a little bit, especially when you're doing voices such as Minions or Elmo, right? And then go ahead and click on a generate speech. Just make sure speaker boost is also toggled on. Let's see what ElevenLabs comes up with. There we go. Okay.
Well, at ElevenLabs. Minions here. Testing voicey voice machine. Banana? No, okay. Make us sound good or we go kaboom. Hey. Popboy approved only.
That was actually pretty good, guys. So you can try it out as well. Go ahead and check out the link in the description. You can make any voice, even your own voice.